What's good, everybody? It's your boy David again, and I'm back with another video. So if you guys are new in my channel, please do subscribe, follow me on Facebook, on TikTok, and on Instagram. So today, guys, ito na yung iniintay ninyo na JML performance doon sa New Gen Champs concert last weekend. And akala ko yung kinanta nila dito is You Are The Reason. So nagtype ako dito sa YouTube, You Are The Reason, JML, New Gen Champs concert. Ang lumabas, Just Give Me A Reason pala. So, I think this is the first time na nag-perform sila ng kantang to because You're The Reason, ang dami nilang performance na gano'n, no? Sa guestings nila at kahit sa sa TNT na nakapag-perform sila ng kantang ito. But Just Give Me A Reason, if I'm not mistaken, Just Give Me A Reason, just a little bit of na. Ito yun. So, if hindi ako nagkakamali. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. And again, i-follow nyo ako sa Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and subscribe kayo. Okay? So, let's go! And shoutout nga pala kay, Jodens Official sa video na to. So, hiramin ko muna. They started mellow, okay? Grabe ingay naman ng audience. Beautiful harmony. Gusto ko yung second voice na parang ad-lib ni Mariel. Ilan yung blend ni ni JM dun sa last part. Ayos na kayo. Beautiful. Ito na. Beautiful. Ito. Okay, nice alteration. Okay, I did not expect that. Nice. That was beautiful. Nice. Very JML yung arrangement talaga. Parang tawag na tanghalan lang, oh. Nice, nice. Nice. Always ko talaga itong sinasabi, no? Yung boses talaga ni Mariel, yung definition, if we just simplify, no? Yung definition sa boses ni Mariel, it's sweet but powerful, no? It's sweet but powerful. No, napakalambing, no? Pero pag nagbe-belt siya, malambing pero may puwersa, may bigat, no? And JM always do good job pagdating sa pagdating sa blend, na pagdating sa mga vocal splits na hindi mo aakalain na papasukin niya, no? Na kakantahin niya yung part na yon. And amazing range, grabe. And andun pa rin kilig na kilig. And yeah, very confident na sila and comfortable with each other, which is very, very obvious, no? And sa akin lang para sa mga fans na nanonood ng Jamiel live, alam ko, I understand na kinikilig kayo, you're overwhelmed, no? But sa akin lang po to if kumakanta sila, iwasan po nating tili ng tili. Okay? Bakit? Kasi nakaka-distract po 'yan sa kanila, no? Hindi man nila sabihin 'yan, pero nakaka-distract 'yan, no? Nakakakuha ng atensyon. Kahit yung intention nyo ay hindi ganon, pero talagang nakaka-distract 'yon. So, if you really care and love and support Jamiel, no? Patapusin nyo muna silang kumanta at mag-perform, tsaka kayo doon tili, sigaw, at tsaka mag-cheer, mag-support. Okay? Pwede kayong sumigaw, mag-cheer before and after the performance. Okay? That's a basic etiquette sa pagiging fans, no? I'm not saying this para lang sa exclusively for Jamiel fans, but you're truly a fan of someone, ng artist, kahit kay Morissette, Regine, Sarah Geronimo, no? Alam naman natin, no? I too can understand yung overwhelming na feeling, no, kapag nakita natin yung iniidolo natin. But again, let's always remind ourselves to be to cheer properly, okay? And basic etiquette lang po talaga yan, no? Cheer before and after the performance para hindi ma-distract yung mga idols natin. Yun lang po yun. So anyway, this was a beautiful performance. And next naman, i-react natin yung solo performance ni Mariel. So, antayin nyo lang yun. Okay? Bye! God bless. Peace out, everybody.